We know that when our assets fail unexpectedly, that those failures can cost us more money to fix than if we were able to get to that asset and do a standard proactive intervention. We also know that unexpected asset failures create service issues and operational issues that we have to manage and ultimately can lead to issues for our customers. I'm going to tell you a bit about how we're using technology in 3 ways in order to improve asset health. So firstly, we're using our industry-leading network models to try and proactively identify water quality issues before they occur. 2, we're installing new sensors across the network to give us more granularity and better process control. And 3, we're combining the data sets within our organisation to create new, more powerful predictive tools to predict when assets deteriorate and take preventative action.
First, I'm going to talk to you about something we call proactive network management. We have deployed high-speed loggers across our network to provide more granular information about the health of our system. These loggers are like little detectives. They provide information to our control centre about pressure spikes. Pressure spikes, or pressure transients, are caused by many things, including both our own and third-party activity. They lead to increased wear and tear and can cause asset failure, which impacts our customers from both a quantity and quality perspective. So it's really important we do what we can to proactively identify these and minimise their impacts. Not all interventions on the network are bad. We are making more interventions for the right reasons. We have some of the best network models in our sector. Most water companies use these to look back, to identify root cause and lessons learned. But we're different. We're using these models in combination with our real-time data to preempt where these pressure spikes might occur and take action to reconfigure our system and reduce the risk to our customers. This technology, in combination with more accurate data, has enabled us to deliver £1.5 million in cost avoidance for our customer ODIs. Another facet of asset health is at our major water treatment works. We have started a programme of work using Lean and Six Sigma methodologies to develop water quality and process control measures, which we use to ensure we take the right actions at the right time to safeguard water quality but also drive efficiency. These sensors are connected to our data management systems, which are made visible in our control rooms. The beauty of this system really is the visuals. The trends are really easy to see with clearly defined tolerance levels, as you can see here. It enables us to quickly spot and rectify deviations in our performance. Francesca has already talked to you about our app squad. These guys and girls have been busy working with our water treatment works operators to deliver Workmate. Workmate is a really easy-to-use app that's available on our phones. It enables our operators to input photos, data, task completion and sample data quickly and real-time. It removes the need for paper and retro system input, which is great for efficiency but also auditability. And you can see one of our operators here doing his routine tasks whilst updating the system as he goes along.
So finally, I'll tell you a little bit about water quality analytics. So as you can imagine, as a fairly kind of asset-intensive business, we've got many different sources of data that come from both the asset outputs, but also the sorts of information that our team would have entered in via apps like Workmate. We're starting to develop in-house analytical capability using some of the leading-edge software on the market to draw all that data together and create new, much more rich and powerful data sets. They allow us to create previously imperceptible trends and link those to subsequent events such as either an asset failure or a water quality event, which means as those trends start to occur in the future, we can clearly then kind of identify the sorts of interventions that are needed to keep the network running. Going forward, we're also going to be drawing external data from research groups and other areas on the internet to further enhance these data sets. And then we can apply these new asset deterioration models much more widely across both the water and wastewater environment. So, in summary, our ambition at Severn Trent is to be upper quartile in water by 2020, and that would mean a roughly £20 million per annum run rate efficiency in our cost base. We're using technology to support that ambition in 4 key ways. So, one, we're making smarter investment decisions through data analytics and better asset deterioration modelling. We're reducing risks and increasing resilience through real-time measurement and insight of our processes. We're reducing operating costs with increased productivity by reducing the time it takes to travel to, implement and then write up the interventions on our network. And finally, creating a culture of technology innovation by really inspiring people to identify emerging technological trends and applying them to our business processes quickly.